Hey, what's up, guys? I just got this battery pack for a Makita tool, but here's the weird part: there's absolutely no voltage, so aren't the cells inside completely dead? But the box still feels pretty heavy, which makes me wonder: is there any inside worth saving? Today, I'm going to open it up, do a basic check on the cells, and if any of them are dead, I'll try bringing them back to life. Let's see if any can be saved, or if the whole park is just gone. Look at the outside. This park is pretty worn out. And yeah, this is a fake Makita battery pack. Alright, let's open it up. First, I'll remove all the welds and protection board. Now, what do we have inside? These are 1875 100 cells, and surprisingly, they are from Samsung, which is a well-known and reputable brand in the battery world. Let's check the voltage of each cell. Interestingly, some of them are still in red condition. Over 4 volts, that's actually very good, but a few others are below 2.5 volts. And that's concerning, because once a lithium cell drops below 2.5 volts, it's usually considered deeply discharged or even dead. Now, let's check the internal resistance. And here's something surprising. They are all pretty low, under 20 milliamps. That's actually very good. Alright, now for the interesting part. I'm going to try reviving the cells that are basically dead. Anything below 2.5 volts? Let me show you this power supply. It has a lithium charging mode. I'll set it to 4.2 volts for a full 1865 and about 1.5 amps of current. Let's hook up the first cell and see what happens. Oh, this is a good sign. The voltage is slowly climbing from under 2.5 volts. Now it's moving past 3 volts. That means we've successfully brought this cell back up. That's actually pretty lucky. But we're not done yet. There's one more important step. After bringing it above 3 volts, we stop charging and just watch the voltage. If it holds steady, that means the cell is still usable. But if it starts dropping again, then it's probably gone for you. Good. Time to throw it out. So in the end, this dead battery pack wasn't completely useless. Some of the cells were still in great condition. Some needed a little push to come back, and some were just gone. This is exactly why you can't trust the outside of a battery, or even the pack as a whole. You have to test the cells individually to know what's really going on. And sometimes, even a dead battery still has value inside. If you found this interesting, hit subscribe, because I test, break down, and revive batteries like this all the time. Have a nice day. See you. Bye bye.